Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. Previous class we discussed about the trees and plants. And we also discussed about the different shapes, size and what are the plants gives us. So these are the things we discussed in the previous class. Let me revise all those things, then we'll do the textbook work. So tell me children, what are trees? What are trees? Tell me the answer. Yes, trees are big plant. Trees are big plant with strong trunk and many branches. Name some trees. Yes, coconut, banana, apple tree, orange, ashoka, banyan tree. Yes, numbers of trees are there. What are the three qualities of living things? Give the three qualities of living things, children. Tell me. Yes. All living things grow. All living things grow. They breathe. Then last one is what? They need food. So these are the three qualities of all living things. Give the three uses of plants. Mention only three uses of plants. What the plant gives us? Yes, plant gives us vegetables, fruits, medicine, then wood, clothes, etc. Numbers of things here plant gives us. Yeah, the children, and it also gives the shelter for birds, animals and insects. It gives us shed also. Shed, Naradi. It gives us shed also. With the help of wood, we make numbers of things. Yeah, the children, we make numbers of things. Table, chair, pencil, mat, paper, shelf, cupboard, dining table. So these all the things we will make with the help of wood only. Yeah, the children, and I have shown some images also. How the trees are different from each other, shape of the leaves, creeper and the climber plant, everything I have shown. Where the roots grow, children? Where the roots grow? Tell me, yes. Roots grow below the ground. It's grow below the ground. Yes. Where the trunk, branches, flower, fruits, leaves grow, children? Where it's grow? Tell me. Where it's grow? It's grow above the ground. The leaves. Yeah, no, it's grow above the ground. Above the ground. Yeah, no, children. So, what are the differences you can see in the plants? Why we can see this tree is different from that tree? What is different? Tell me, children. Yes. First is shape, Okay children, then leaves. Some trees have the small leaves, some have the very big, some have the too much small. Then flower. All the trees and plants give the different kinds of flowers. Then finally is fruits. They give the different kinds of fruits also children. So these are the things we discussed in the last class. So today we will see what are the things have been made from wood. What are the things have been made from wood? There is a numbers of things are that we can made from wood children. What is that? Tell me. Table, chair, pen, pencil, duster, paper. This all the things are made from wood only. In the textbook, they had given image. Just you can see, they had shown the numbers of things, which is made from wood children, which is made from wood. So here children, I will show the some images, then you will understand. Now you are sitting on chair, using the table to write, using the shelf to keep the clothes and books, using the dining table to have the food, using the cot, you are sleeping, no? So this all the things are made up of wood only. All the things are made up of wood children. Now here are using the some musical instrument, tabla, tabla, then guitar. This all the things are made up of wood. Even whatever clothes we wear, it's a gift of nature only. This duster, this pencil, this table, it is made up of wood. This textbook, whatever textbook we will use, notebook we will use, it is made up of wood children. So here I will show the some images, just you see. You can see children, this is called the wood. Wood we will make pencil. See the crayons we will use for drawing. This cot, table, everything is made from wood. See this table. See the playing things. House, chair. See the broom, Kasbergi you say, no? Basket, bags, papers. See, you can see here the musical instruments made from wood only. Your mother will use in kitchen to keep vegetables, basket. So children, just now I have shown some images that made from wood only, that things have been made from wood. Clear children? So I have finished the unit 6, that is our green well. So we'll do the now textbook exercise, whatever they had given in the textbook. Open the page number children 137. Page number 137. The first question is what that they had given the name. Name any two things, trees. Pictures they had given just Just now see here. See, they had given the place, name any two. So you have to write here. Okay, children? So I will go one by one just to write down. Take the pencil. What is the first here? Name any two trees. Name. First is name two trees. So tell me the two tree names. Yes. Mango tree. They had given the down. First up and second down. Then mango and right. Banyan tree. Second, they asked the shrubs. Shrubs are smaller, hard branch and the stems. So what is that? Hibiscus and lemon. Shrubs. Hibiscus and lemon. Next, bushes. Bushes, you can write the rose plant or coriander. Bushes. Rose and coriander. So hibiscus, you know it, children, hibiscus flower. That's what you say, no? That is called hibiscus. Coriander, kothumber sappu you say, no? That is called the coriander. The down they had given the creeper. You can see, children, here. Now, next they had given the creeper, then climber, and then herbs. Now write the next one. Name one, they asked. Name any one the creeper plant. But you write the two, children. You write the two and keep. Creeper means what? Which grow on the land. Take the support of land or ground. Right? Watermelon and right? Cucumber. Next is climber. Next, right? Climber means which plant to climb and grow. We take support of wall, stick. Okay, children, what is that? Grapes and tea. Mutton. Next is herbs. What is the next one? Herbs. Tell me the herbs. Mint. Mint means what? Pudina. Mint and coriander. Over, children? So write correctly. All the things you have to write in that line only. Okay, children? Don't do any spelling mistakes. See, already they had given the line. It is only for the textbook work. Clear? It is only for the textbook work. Notes I will send later. First we finish the textbook work. The next. See the page number 141. Next page number is 141. So these all the things you have to copy down from the board on a textbook. First is wheat. Godi. Wheat is a options cereal, B pulse, and C corn. Next, pepper. It is a spices. Pepper means what? Kali miri is kali mirch, round black color, black pepper. That is called the pepper. Pepper is what? It is spices. It is masala, no? Yes. Right. First option. Spice. Then B. Horn. Then C. Cereal. The rose plant is a. Now third one. Third one. The rose plant is a. What is the option? Bush, tree, creeper. Bush, tree, and creeper. Last one, cactus grow in the. Where the cactus grow, children? Tell me. Mountain. It's grow in the sandy area. Desert. Mountains. B. Desert. And then last one is C. Side. So we'll pick the correct answer. So wheat is not a pulse. It is not a herb also. It is a cereal. Pepper is spice, herb or cereal. What is that? Yes, pepper is a spice. Masala it is. The rose plant. Now see why wheat is called the cereal? Because with the help of wheat, we will make the numbers of things. You know, chapati, then puri, parathe. You know, children? Pulse means what? Dal. Moong dal, tur dal, toguri bade. That is come in the pulse. In the cereals comes rice, jo. That is comes in the cereals only. The rose plant is bush, tree or creeper. It is a big tree. It is a creeper. Rose need the support? No. It is a bush. What is that? It's a bush only. Next, cactus grow in the mountain because mountain gets the water. Even seaside also get the water. But in the desert, when it is sandy area, it don't get the water. So it's grow in the desert. Next one, circle the odd one out. Circle the odd one. So what is the odd one here? First one, right? Pepper, turmeric, chili, and then brinjal. Second one, capsicum, then onion, cabbage, and garum. Third one, neem, rose, coconut, Which one is onion? So first you see pepper, turmeric, chili. These all three are spices. It is a masala. Brinjal, it's a vegetable. So here which is odd one? Brinjal. Next, capsicum, onion, cabbage and guava. Here capsicum, onion and cabbage, these all three are vegetables except guava. Guava is what here? Yes, it's a fruit. Name rose, coconut and then teak. Here name coconut and teak. It's a tree. These all three are trees. But rose is not a tree. It is a what it is? It is a bush. It is a plant, bush plant. So here odd one is what? Rose. In the first one, brinjal. In the second, guava. And in the third, it's a rose. Now last one, children. Name 4 things you can make out of wood. You can see here. See, name 4 things. They asked. You have to write in the textbook only, children. Tell me the 4 things with make out of wood. Yes. Table, chair, then pencil, paper, etc. Because they asked only 4 things. Yeah, no, children? So I will write here. Last question. Name 4 things you can make out of wood. Name 4 things you can make out of wood. So write the 4 things. First write table, pencil, chair and paper. The down there is a small activity. Look around your classroom and list 10 things that have come from plant. So now you are not in the classroom, so this activity I will give in your home. So look around your home and list 10 things that have comes from a plant. So whatever things you can see in your home which comes from a plant, make one list and write down. Okay, children? So instead of classroom, you have to write that home. So what is that activity? Activity. Look around your house and list 10 things that have come from a plant. Come from a plant. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಅದು ಗಿಡ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ತಯಾರಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So this activity you have to do in the notebook. Okay, give the heading activity, write this question and then write the 10 things that comes from your home. Okay children, so this is the exercise from the unit 6. Now what is your work children? You have to read this lesson, and the textbook work is very important because all the images, pictures I can't draw on the board. So whatever textbook work I am giving in this video, you have to copy down in the textbook. Okay children, then everything whatever I given you have to do in the textbook. ನಾನು ಏನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ನನಗೆ ತಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬರೀ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಆ್ಯಪ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೆ ಆ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರದ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಅದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 10 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯಪಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ this is the unit 6 I have finished. The same thing I will continue in the next class children. Thank you children.